How can you be so sure that you are real and what you do is real and you are not programmed to do so in a computer simulation? We all have played games from ping pong to PUBG and it's getting better day by day. Game developers are constantly pouring their time in making this game more and more engaging and realistic. Now the games are evolving at such rapid rate it never been seen in any industry. Motion sensors, haptics, VR, AR, touches gaming industry keeps getting more and more realistic. Even they are achieving such technological feats where the helmets of some sensors can transmit your brain signals to make them in a motion. Now suppose if we keep up this rate of advancement in almost near 1000 years, it could be possible that the human civilization could be able to make a game, or you can say such a product known as universe. It could be possible that we are able to make such computer simulation which is governed by the instructions given by us in zeros or ones, in which physics laws are given same as ours and we start putting avatars having their own mind, and can they think, communicate, somehow we put consciousness into them and we put them into one of the universe which we simulated earlier. So how can you be so sure that we are not one of those simulations created by some higher being? So Nick Bostrom of the University of Oxford wrote a paper about simulation argument in 2003. Philosophers, physicists and technologists have been looking into this idea of our reality being a simulation. Some have tried to identify ways in which we can identify we are simulated beings. Others have attempted to calculate the chance of us being virtual entities. But the study also demonstrated that if humans ever to develop the ability to simulate conscious being, the chances would overwhelmingly tilt in favor of us to being virtualized denizens inside someone else's computer. In 2003, Bostrom imagined a technologically adapted civilization that possesses immense computing power and needs a fraction of that power to simulate new realities with conscious being in them. Given this scenario, his simulation argument shows that at least one proportion in following trilemma must be true. First, human among always go extinct before reaching the simulation savvy stage. Second, even if humans make it to the stage, they are unlikely to be interested in simulating their own ancestral past. And third, the probability that we are living in a simulation is close to 1. But the recent study shows that this trilemma could be transformed into dilemma by shrinking down into 3 structure to only 2. When we look around, we will find that we are nowhere near this technological advancement. So what does this signify? First, it means that we are first and we are real in this chain simulation or whatever you can call that. Second, we all are at the last extremely down to the system and we are yet to make those simulations. So we don't know how to escape this game like Ravan or Neo from Matrix. Many people claim that there is a way we can see that we are living in a simulation, like those perfect digits, speed of light, Planck's of constant. These numbers are so precise and so much accurate. They are like limits where most of our physics starts falling apart. Or the superposition of electrons shown in the famous double slit experiment. They believe that the absence of aliens are also due to not enough computing power to simulate many extraterrestrial species at once, but it could be possible there are multi-universes where they just copy paste entire universe by giving some tweak to our DNA structure. They believed that fate, deja vu, paranormal activities and other type of stuffs are glitch in the matrix, like said in the Dark series. But many people believe that almost it's next to impossible to make such computers that can run such extent of simulation all at once at the same time. But there are always a solution to every problem. So they stated that it could be possible due to quantum mechanics, which states that particles behave differently when we see them. So the developers only show you that place which you want to see or present. Like when you play a game, you see everything seems blurry until you approach them. It keeps getting detailed when you are standing right next to them. This reduces RAM power usage, which is used to run these computers. So what do you think? Are we living in a simulation or we are just wandering into nothing like we know our brain loves to play with things we don't know? So what do you think? It is the thrust of knowledge or it is the thrust is also programmed? Comment below your opinion. If you like this video, subscribe us and share it with your friends to whom you want to let know that he is some bug in the simulation. Until then, stay happy, keep learning because we are born to learn.